Hi, I'm Julian, and I'm gonna guide you quickly through totallyRap.com and how it works. So, it's a service that allows you to summarize all of your Spotify listening history. And how does it work? So, actually, Spotify offers you to request and then download all of the personal data that Spotify has stored of you. If you go to this website, spotify.com slash account privacy, then you can have here some additional information, and down below you see download your data. And here you have three options. You can download your account data, which includes playlists and also the streaming history of the past year. And here in the extended streaming history, you see all the streaming history of the previous years. And you can also request some technical information. Here you have the option then click request data, and if you do so, you get send a confirmation email. So you need to approve and confirm that you actually requested that kind of data. And as you can see, I requested it back then in end of April, and I confirmed this data download, and 2 days later, I actually received then this email from Spotify, which allows me then to download all of the data. Once you hit download, you are able to download a zip file which contains JSON files. And these JSON files can then be uploaded in totallyRap.com. And this is now what we are going to do right now. So as I already know how, I click on I already know how, and then I can here select my JSON files. If I click here on select, as you can see here, I have multiple files in here, and you can select either all of them or specific ones. Maybe you're only interested in the last year because you missed Spotify Wrapped, or you just select a specific file. And I have prepared here a quick demo file, so we're going to open only this file. Once you do, you click on I accept the privacy policy. Since data is being processed, this is necessary. Otherwise, you cannot use the service. So if we click then here on accept and hit start, then after shortly processing all of the data, we get already the result. And we have here two options. We can customize and create our own picture that contains, in Spotify fashion, some statistics about your listening history. And down below, we get some statistics displayed in different tables. You can also click here then on listen on Spotify, which redirects you directly to Spotify web, where you can then listen to that song or save it into your library and so on. Also available is to download this kind of data as an Excel file if you want to explore it further on your own. So now let's focus on our customizable social media picture, which we could share, I don't know, on Instagram, for example. Currently, you see the top 5 songs all time, year with most listening history, and favorite 3 artists. But we have different options and we can select them however we want. For example, we want to see top 10 songs all time and maybe the number 1 song where we listened from. Number 1 song where I listened from is based actually on the country I was in when I used the Spotify service. So here in this example, for example, in Germany, I listened to this song the most, and in United Kingdom, it was then Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. Yeah, we can customize it. For example, now we want to see the top 5 songs all time and our favorite 3 artists. Then we have also the possibility to optionally show our playtime of those individual songs or the total playtime of a specific artist. So here, top 5 song all time. For example, Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles has a total playtime of 1.7 hours. And here down below, we see my favorite artist is Taylor Swift. My favorite song of her is Shake It Off. And Taylor Swift has a total playtime of 1.8 hours. If we are happy with our result, we can download the image. If you, for example, don't like the background, you can select here between different backgrounds, choose the favorite. I just go here with the purple one, for example. Select here my top 10 songs all time and the year with the most listening time. So in 2025, I listened here, for example, in total 12 hours, which was the maximum across all of the years. If you're done, we can download it, and then it's up to you whatever you do with it. I hope this short guideline helped you. In case of any questions, feel free to reach out, preferably via LinkedIn, as it's the easiest way for me. Have a nice day.